Alright, what's going on, guys? This isn't really an XXT no more. Well, I just want to tell you guys I got a new car. The car is pretty fast. I mean, everyone pretty much knows about this car. They know about the engine. I mean, it's a pretty popular car. And yeah, I'm standing right in front of it. Here you guys go. This is a new car. It's a 2018 Dodge Charger 392. And yeah, let's pop the hood for you guys. Show you guys. Alright, so obviously it has a 6.4 liter V8, naturally aspirated. I did install a oil catch can. You guys will see that in the next video. Alright, so let's get inside and I'll talk to you guys about more. Alright, so this car, I bought it from a dealer, and obviously someone had already done stuff to it, so he put these decals into the side slots. He also put this on the gas cap. There will be more mods coming soon for this vehicle. I have the suede and leather interior mix. The car does not have a sunroof or navigation, but I mean, hey, here you guys go. Let me get you guys a cold start real quick. So obviously when you guys get the 392, you guys can opt in for Brembo brakes. That's what I have. And then these come with the I got the 245s, 4520s. Now obviously in the rear I'm gonna have to go a little wider sooner or later, because yeah, these do not catch traction at all. I definitely like the wheels. Definitely with this color combination, it goes well pretty good. And yeah, guys, this is pretty much the new car. Now this car does from factory bring around like 485 horsepower, about 475 pound-feet of torque. It's definitely enough to get you guys away from anything, I guess you could say. Definitely when 0 to 60, I think is like world record, about 4.1 stock. I've only gone 0 to 60 in this car 4.9 seconds is what I got, and then down the quarter mile 15.2 seconds, which isn't that bad. I mean, obviously you guys are running on a stock setup. You guys aren't gonna get the best out of both worlds, I guess you could say. And yeah, I'm not no professional driver either, so it's definitely something. So you know, you gotta get seat time and stuff like that. The car does come with the, I mean, the trunk is a pretty big trunk. Obviously you could daily this car. I mean, gas, yeah, it's a V8. Like, what do you guys think? It's obviously going to swallow your gas. And then you also the rear seats, I mean, I'm not going to sit back there, obviously no one else is going to be driving my car except me, but there's definitely enough back space for other people to sit in there. yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. Get you guys a couple revs.
X-band, K-band, Ka-band, laser, GPS connected.
Let me set the camera down behind. I'll get you guys a couple revs. Alright guys, that's gonna be all for this video. Go ahead, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share the video, and yeah, don't miss out on any future videos, because there's definitely gonna be more mods coming to this car. I'm definitely thinking about doing a lot more stuff to it. Yeah guys, that's gonna be it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one. Peace.